Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by shifting into the smallest cog to ease removal. This reduces chain tension and protects derailleur springs. Once shifted, flip the bike or mount it in a stand, then open the quick release or undo the through axle and pull the wheel free. Make sure to secure the wheel so it won't roll away. Next, fit the chain whip to hold the cassette and use the lock ring tool to loosen the lock ring. You'll feel resistance before it breaks free, so brace the tool firmly. Once the lock ring is off, slide each sprocket and spacer straight off the free hub, keeping them in order so you can replicate spacing later. Take photos if unsure. Then inspect the free hub body splines for worn teeth or corrosion because a damaged free hub will skip under load. Clean the splines with a rag and solvent, remove old gunk, and apply a light smear of grease to prevent corrosion. Don't overdo it, as excess grease attracts dirt and accelerates wear. You now reinstall the cassette by aligning the wide spline with the matching slot and sliding each cog and spacer down in the original order. Once seated, thread the lock ring and torque it to the manufacturer's spec so it won't loosen. Refit the wheel, secure the axle, and shift through gears while pedaling to confirm smooth engagement. If shifting is slow, make small B-tension or cable tension adjustments. If skipping persists, recheck torque and inspect the chain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.